Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and generate a QR code for many purpose. Example of you want to create a QR code for business card. You want to create a QR code for YouTube channel, specific link, PDF file, etc website and multi-purpose. So this is the same method I will review in this video. If you watch full video, you are able to do this work perfectly. So without any more time wasted, let's get started. So first go to google.com, then type QR code generator. Here is a lots of website you are able to find out, but I recommend you for the QR code generator this website because this is very easy for use and some of function are 100% free. So you can see here is a lots of multi-function available right now: PDF, multi URL, contract, pin text, app, SMS and others. So I type here and paste my YouTube or example of my website address. So just click on here. You can see already generated for this one, and this is free of cost. And if you want to download this type of, this is a paid, this is a this is free. Just go to download button, then click on download, but many function are paid, so I recommend you for charge. Go to each by each, then oh, this is good, but I highly recommend you for this one because this is a natural and everyone will use this one. Just click on download, then again click on download. If I open, you can see this is QR code. This is a lifetime guarantee. So after watching this video, you are able to do these things. This is a method you can create QR code for you. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.